birds are leaving the nest. Look at there. Where are the birds? Just one in there right now.
Oh, one left in there.
Oh, one missing there.
So that means that
Just this one left. So where the birds then turn, mommy?
one missing fly.
I wonder if one dead bird. Where bird? Oh, see him there, mommy. Me see him. Oh, see the something there. I wonder if I can take him up. Oh, poor thing. Hi. Oh, in there. I wonder if he can't. I don't think he can fly yet. See him right there, sir. I'm afraid if I take him up. Why if my mother this one him after me take him up? Right. Stay there. I'm gonna get the stick and pick him up. I'm gonna see if he's gonna jump on the stick. Chip, 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 chip. Here, chip, 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 chip. Alright, I forgot to use my hand. Come, pups. Mr. People, the bird run me down and shit for me. Fly me down and shit for me. After me there, I feed them all long. See the baby bird right there, sir. Oh gosh, I'm tired. Tally, go back around. See him there, me not trouble you, I not touch you. Make your mother come pick you up. Make your mother come pick you up. Hear how them are going. See your mother up there, so. People, me say make me run. Me two of them come for me, I tell you. Me two of them fly me down. Me show them if shit for me hand. He poop on me hand. People, look at bird poop on me. Me say I know me hand. The bird fly. Look, feed them bread and so on, and yet you come run up, fly off of me like that, like say me I doing something. Like helping out. Me say, KK, excuse me, KK, the bird fly off of me, girl.
I know.
No, don't throw it in the yard like that. Stop.
The other bird will come, your big bird.
Yeah, the other birds are gonna come. No, pick them up because we don't want any other bird come attack this baby one. Me say, people, after me I help this bird all the time. Me say, I don't want to see how me run. I tired. Me run and drop my phone.
If you feed your one people and them are turning you so much less.
Did you? My gosh.
What
No, sir,
You want to try pick him up, mommy?
I'm for them, know what to do. You like one, drop out. Again.
Get your feet too.
Right there.
The mother they right out the side, mommy. See them there. See them there. Them a fly around. If you think you're bad, pick him up.
Touch it. Try touching. No.
He can fly a little bit because he fly high enough when he come out of my hand. Fly out of my hand. Then his mother no can't take him up. Alright, then I have to go brave up and take him up then.
Okay, go. I'll record.
The dirty boy, them wanna watch them for me, they do. Come, Kiki, hold this. Them up, hurry up and put him up. And then run away. Don't eat a video right now.
Yeah, I know.
I know watch your bird, them, you know.
I'm just watching down there.
No, I want umbrella. Give me umbrella. That means when they fly down. Pause it.
I can see you.
Pull out the zoom, right?
Yeah.
Then pull it back up. So we're going to just hurry up and fling him in the nest, right?
Don't fling him in there.
So we can jump on eyes like this.
You look so like. Just go. You look like a box.
Don't cry. I'm just helping you out. I'm afraid.
Go. You have a box on your head. You're fine, bro. Give me one gloves or something. Oh my gosh.
Mr. People, I'm nervous. I'm still nervous. The bird, me I tell you. After me they feed them my bread and water.
Don't feed them up here, so.
What's funny? Can't believe. That's how they treat me. After me have water set out the sun, I give him bread. Wait, 1 minute. I give him bread. Me there try take care of the little one. You see him over there, so see him way. He go stay the day because I go touch him. See him there? See him there? Me did try to lift you up, but you're gonna squeal. You're gonna inform upon me, so me take you up. Eh? You inform, you call your mother and your father upon me. I say people, me tell you, so me take foot. Me run, me don't know which part to run, mommy. Me run go up, me see the gate lock. Me have to run come back down. Me see one white sitting drop out her ear and the shit, the poo fling off of me. Me say, yeah, but why? Me don't know which way to go. People, tell me if this is real. A first bird ever fly me down. Come troubling baby. Well, at least he's protected by baby. Oh, my goodness. My daughter will be riding her train. Go, Tally. Whee! Let's go, Kayla. Let's go see the girl. Ride her train. it up, push it up. You have to turn it around. Why did you turn it this way? Go on.
I'm gonna go backwards.
Okay, you're gonna do it backwards?
Yeah.
Alright. On you go. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go.
No.
Why not?
I'm scared.
You did it before how many times? Now you're scared? Okay, go front way then. Quickly.
Pinky will come too. Pinky will please.
No, you can't manage Caleb on your bike. On that. Go.